Hi, welcome to Rotten Rebel. If you're new here, then you gotta make sure to hit that subscribe and that notification bell. So right here, right now, I am going to do a comparison between two fragrances that I think are really nice. The first one is Armani Code Profumo. Oh yeah. And the other one is Armani Code Absolu. So which one of these do I prefer? Let's do this. So Profumo, this is, oh my god, this is so good. This is a sexy blend where amber, vanilla and spices are pushed to the forefront. This is a warm, deep and spicy blend with a hint of leather to it. Now that leather brings it another layer of sexiness, and this is so damn good. Moving on to Armani Code Absolu. Oh my god, this is a powdery vanilla bomb with amber and hints of suede that gives it this sort of a slightly creamy, leathery vibe. The suede is soft though, and this is not a leather fragrance by any means. There's also a woody side to this one that sort of balances up the sweetness in a really nice way. Code Absolu is very sweet but never overly sweet, and to me this is a luxurious, classy and sexy fragrance. So if I only could choose one of these, which one would I choose? Before I give you my answer, I want a woman's answer to the same question. So, Sandra, you here?
Now I have tried both Armani Code Profumo and Armani Code Absolu. Both of these are sweet and spicy vanilla fragrances, and I think they are both really good. Armani Code Profumo is it's stronger and more sexy to me. Armani Code Absolu is beautiful and elegant, and if I have to choose between those two, I will go with Profumo.
So there you go. Thank you, Sandra. Now, before this comparison video, my favorite was Armani Code Absolu. There's something about that powdery vanilla bomb that I absolutely love and that I'm addicted to. But the more I sniffed on Profumo, the more I ended up loving it. To me, Profumo is sexier, let's put it that way. Profumo is darker and more spicy than Absolu, and I think that Profumo has way more attitude than Absolu, and that makes Profumo sexier, and I love sexier. I still love Absolu, but if I only had to choose one, I would go with Profumo. I never thought that I would say this because I love Armani Code Absolu so much, but currently I love Armani Code Profumo even more. So if I only had to choose one, I would go with Profumo. But if you have the money, then I would say go for both. While they do share that sort of a code DNA, I do feel that they are different enough to warrant that you have them both in your collection. I love them both, and I feel amazing when I put them on, and I can highly recommend both of them to you. Now, I want to know which one of these two you would choose if you could only choose one. Please do comment and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, then I would highly appreciate if you would like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.